So,
कभी कभी कुछ कहानियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जो सिर्फ हमारे दिमाग को नहीं बल्कि हमारे दिल को भी हिला देती है, जो आपको ज़िंदगी को एक नए नज़रिए से जीना सिखाती है और मौत को भी। Well, hi, I'm Vani, and today we are going to talk about a book that completely shook my belief system. So, this book is The Girl Who Knew Too Much by Vikrant Khanna. So, let's talk about this. ये सिर्फ एक लव स्टोरी नहीं है, ये एक जर्नी है, एक सफ़र है जो आपको इस दुनिया के परे ले जाता है एंड जहाँ इमोशन, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मिस्ट्री साथ में मिलकर एक अलग ही मैजिक बनाते हैं. Basically, this book revolves around a girl named Akshara who is devastated because of the sudden death of her mother. She is lost emotionally and deeply in grief. Well, one day in park, she met a boy named Harry. So now Harry tells her a story about two people named Sahiba and Siddharth who were teenagers and deeply in love with each other. Their story not only contains love but also death, miracles, rebirth, and unanswered questions from the other side. It's quite interesting. Let's know more about this. I won't lie, guys, but this book literally made me cry, and it made me think that the people I have lost, about whether they really left me or they are still around us in signs, in memories, or maybe in some other forms. मैं ना पहले लाइफ और डेथ को एकदम ब्लैक एंड वाइट समझती थी अनटिल एंड अनलेस मैंने ये बुक को नहीं पढ़ा. लेकिन अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहानियों में भी सच होता है एंड इवन कभी कभी जो सच होता है ना वो कहानियों से ज़्यादा अनबिलीवेबल होता है. इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़ जस्ट अनदर नॉवल, you are wrong, my loves, because this book will break your heart, it will heal you, and then it will make you believe again in love. It's for anyone who have ever lost someone and questioned why that happened to them. It can be your parents, your loved ones, your friends, or anyone. It's for someone who wants to believe that love doesn't die, it just changes their form. I would say read this book not just with your eyes but with your heart. As I told you before, this is a story of a girl जो सिर्फ 13 साल की बच्ची है and one day while sitting on a bench in a park, she met a boy named Harry whose actual name is Harvinder Singh in the book. But throughout this book he mentioned that जो भी उसके friends हैं या family है they used to call them Harry. उसका nickname was Harry. एंड हैरी को लगता है कि इफ़ योर लव इज़ दैट स्ट्रोंगर सो तुम मरकर भी ज़िंदा हो सकते हो. एंड some people, if their love is strong enough, can come back even from death. And at first Akshara was not ready to believe him, of course, because she is just an 13-year-old simple smart girl, and she just thought he is telling her the beautiful tales. But soon as she starts believing in the magic and Harry himself, as the bond deepens between both of them, Akshara start questioning, is Harry is just a storyteller, or he is the one who really experienced it, or who is he saying the truth, or maybe he is hiding something. So इसी पूरी मिस्ट्री को सॉल्व करने के लिए पूरी बुक में तुमको आंसर्स मिल जाने वाले हैं एट एवरी पेज. एंड बिकॉज जो स्टोरी है जो हैरी ने शेयर करी विद अक्षरा, दैट फील्स टू रियल, जस्ट टू रियल. And Akshara realizes that he is not just telling tales, he is sharing something that he himself experienced. And The Girl Who Knew Too Much is actually a deeply emotional connected book with the universe, and it's mysterious. It's a love story that will make you think, what if love is stronger than the death? And if you enjoy thrillers with a little bit of suspense, some rom-coms and deep emotions, this is a perfect mixture for all of those emotions, and this book is a must read for you. So And if I want to say also, and if Akshara's journey touched your heart, if you have already read this book or you are planning to do it after watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. Also, do tell me in the comment section how was your experience with this book. If you have read it before, or are you going to try this once, because this is actually a must try. This completely changed my perspective over death, rebirth, and my life. Well, if you like the first episode of our series Read Karo Feel Karo, then do tell me in our comment section, and we'll be coming out with more such videos. And I'm going to share my experiences with my books that personally healed me to help you guys out, and it's going to be spiritual, rom-coms, thrillers, and every one of them. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.